All right, let's get into the chart action of GameStop. This is the first time I'm looking at GameStop, and we're just gonna start basically from fresh. I'm looking at the hourly time frame right now, and this is like the most recent price action. I'll jump back into like the bigger time frame here in a second. I just kind of want to show these uptrends that are going on right now. So we are riding these two uptrends at least for right now, and then there is some resistance. Looks like this is like a resistance like this, and then maybe something like this is going on. Let me go into the 5 minute. So if you go something like this almost looks like a blow off top where it just comes up and then it wasn't able to stay up there and just comes back down. So that looks something like that, but there's also this line right here that's kind of like a newer trend. So let's see what that pattern happens, and then let's take a bigger look at a bigger time frame. Let's go to the daily. Or actually, let's go to the weekly. Let's go monthly. Okay, so in the past, this was in 2007. And then we're going to draw a line from there. Oh, you know what? You probably can't even see this, huh? Let's try something like that. Alright, so we have this top right here. And then let's do the bottom, which would be somewhere right there. And then somewhere right here. Maybe these lines are a little too thick. I made them a little thicker so you guys can see them. Let's do it that one. Okay. Now we have those bottoms right there. And if you calculate from here to here, it actually did go all the way up there, but we came back down. The other pattern I saw, it was something like falling wedge. And then something like that, which would put us like right here. Or right here pretty much. Let's take a look at the weekly. Let's take a look at these other time frames. Okay, so we also have this uptrend too. I don't think this one's going to be relevant. I think we're going to be so high that it's going to... Well, actually, I don't know. Okay, let's go to the daily. There's that uptrend. Let's go to the hourly. Let's get these a little bigger. Okay, so we're going up this uptrend. Then we started a steeper one, and then it looks like we got a blow off top, and then we're coming back down. Let's see if this trend line can get supported. If not, look for support around here, around $50. If we don't get support there, there's support around $20. Alright, let's take a look at the 5 minute. And maybe something like this from the breakout. If it breaks out to this side, I'm not sure, but it's a 35% breakout. Possibly. I also think it could be doing something like, well, the volume starts over here. Let's take a look at the RSI. I'm wondering if we're going to see a bearish divergence. No. Look how oversold it is on the RSI though, on the monthly, on the weekly. On the daily. It's still going up though. It's still pointing up. Let me see. I'm looking if there's one that's pointing down at all, or this one's starting to cool off a little bit. But yeah, super oversold territories. So be careful about this stock, I think. Alright, so I guess the reason why this stock is running up is because, or at least one reason is because Ryan Cohen, he is former CEO of Chewy, which is the pet food retailer. They sell pet food online, and I just bought some pet food with them, and I think I'm going to start buying pet food from them, and also be on the lookout for their stock video in the future, because I've been watching their stock, I've been trading it, and I think I'm going to invest in it. But anyways, so he has been investing in GameStop, and he owns about 12.9% of it. Let's see, when is this? January 25th. Okay. And I guess in November he sent a letter to the board of directors telling them that they've done bad. And so him and a couple of friends, let's see, what is it? Him and two of his friends from Chewy would be joining GameStop's board. So this is giving people interest in the stock and thinking that maybe he can turn it around. The other thing, so the price started going up, and then they're also talking about in another article I saw is that there was a bunch of short sellers making money off GameStop going down, and when the price starts going up, they have to fill their orders, or else they're going to start losing money. And so they start buying the stock, and it's just more fuel for it to pump up. And so they call it a short squeeze, and that's pretty much I think kind of what happened here. So yeah, let's see if this guy can turn it around. It looks like he means business, and maybe he has like some better vision that GameStop, a better vision for GameStop than they had previously. We're looking at a correction now. We could see a bigger correction, but let's see if it can hold this trend line. But other than that, I might trade this. I might try to see if I can find some patterns in this, but I don't think long term I'm really interested in GameStop. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys investing in GameStop? Are you guys just planning on trading it? Do you guys see anything different or something that I should check out? Also, if there's any stocks that you guys want me to check out, let me know. So yeah, if you want to keep up to date with this stock and others, hit the subscribe button. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up. But other than that, you guys have a great day.